Hey girls and boys, Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So let's do some practice like we did yesterday. This time the numbers are a little bit bigger, okay, into the 20s and 30s. So let's take a look, okay? Here's a group of dots, right, grouped into 10 frames, just like we were doing, okay? So you can see that there is, this is in your math packet. All right, so please take it out and turn to the page that says Tuesday practice, okay, and pause the video if you don't have it out yet, and then come back when you have it out and you have a pencil and your packet, okay? All right, you all set? Okay, so you can see that we have 110 right here. That's all filled up, okay? We have another 10 here. That's all filled up, let's say with Skittles, okay? And then we have one that's not filled up, but we do have some left over. We have one, let's see, we know that's 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many bags, you could say, are groups of 10 are filled up? That's the question. Okay, so we have 110 here, right? So it could be Skittles, it could be butterflies, like we were just talking about, right? Like a butterfly net. And you've got 10 butterflies in this net, so that fills it up. And here's another 10. And then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 ones over here, 6 ones. Okay, so so how many 10s do we have in this number? So we have a total of, let's see, we have 1 10, that's 10, 20, that should be 26, right? So we have how many 10s? Looks like we have 2 10s, 1 10, 2 10s, and then we still have 6 left over that don't fill it all the way up. So we're going to say that's 6 ones, okay? So what we have with 2 10s is we have 20. In 2 10s, there are, let's say 2 bags of Skittles, right, would give you 20 Skittles, okay? Or 2 nets that hold 10 butterflies, if they were filled up, would mean that you have 20 butterflies, okay? So that tells you have 20, and then we also know that there are 6 left over. We write down 6. Again, you don't need to do 2 different colors. A pencil is fine. I'm just doing it to help you see the difference between the 10s and the 1s, okay? And so we end up with 26, okay? And that pattern keeps it's the same pattern we keep looking at, right? Which is that the number here, this 2, which is in the 10th place, it doesn't actually mean 2. It means 2 10s, which is actually 20. I know, it's like, what, Mr. McAndrew? Are you sure about this? I mean, I know you're the math guy, but are you sure? I'm sure. Trust me, I'm sure, okay? Because we can see it right there, all right? And here's the 6, which tells us we have just exactly 6 more left over, okay? All right, so you are going to do this one, which is just like the one I did. And there's a couple more. Now, there's one here, and there's also one down here. I will give you a hint about this one down here, which is this. It does not have any 1s, okay? Can you see that? There's no 1s in this problem. There's just 10s, okay? So I'm telling you right now, there's going to be 0 1s. Because all the 10 frames are filled up, okay? All right, boys and girls, there are just 2 more problems. I didn't give you many of these because it's a lot of dots to draw. But what I want you to do is the same thing as yesterday. Okay, so it says 26, all right? So I am going to, let's see, how many 10 frames, or how many, like, if I had 26 Skittles, how many bags right? If I could only put 10 in a bag, how many bags can I fill up? Do you think? Well, let's find out. I mean, there's a 2 in the tens place, so I'm assuming it's 2. But let's find out. So we've got 26. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That makes sense. 10, 20. And then we have 6 more. 21, 22, 23. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to do that in yellow. Sorry. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. So you can see that, yes, we can fill up 2 of them because that tells us right here in the tens place. Okay, so the same thing we've been doing, right? We would have 2 tens, right? 2 bags of 10 Skittles, and then we would have 6 ones, 6 left over, which means that in those 2 bags, we have 20, and then this is just 6 because we have 6 left over, which gives us a total of 26. Okay? So you try this one. It's 37. All right? It's a lot of drawing, but it's not bad. If you just do the circles, you don't have to color them in. Just do a circle and you're fine. Okay? All right, boys and girls, do a good job. Keep up the good work. All right? Ask questions. Do your work. Pay attention. And I'll see you soon. All right? Let's make those brains grow. All right. Bye-bye.